Destination Living definitely encaptured our vision. It was a renovation. It was a terrible use of the amazing view that we have, and now we've been able to deliver something that Tash and I are so happy about and so proud of. We have been able to maximise the potential and work so well for us as a family, which is, it's an amazing result. We saw some of your work and we thought it looked like our style and what we were wanting to achieve with our house. We were really sold once we met you guys. We knew that we were going to get the outcome we wanted. I think the overall process was amazing, and I think the best part about it was that it was much easier than we thought it was going to be. But it's an all-in-one service. It's architectural, it's interior design, and it's building as well. It's an amazing service. It's a one-stop shop basically, and we achieved an amazing result where we're really happy.